Hi, this is David Bratanek with Coldwell Banker Southwest Realty. Today we're going to go through the stats from December 2022. We're going to compare that to a year ago. As usual, we're going to compare it to November 2022, and there'll be a complete separate video that goes through sort of what happened throughout the year, because as you'll see in this video, some of the numbers are a little bit different than what we might expect. We seem to have kind of ended the year about the same place we started the year, and I'll kind of explain why. So we'll go through. The first stat obviously is the average sale price for December 2022. Came in higher than November at $539,466. So that's an increase above the 518 that was for November. It's also an increase of about 1.3% over the average sale price for 2021. So that's a good sign. Things are higher than they were. However, if you look at the median sale price of $495, that was down by 1.3% over December of 2021. So we seem to see the average sale price up just a smidge, median down a little bit. That could be just sort of timing, timing of the number of days. There's a few extra sales that are on the higher end or on the lower end can skew that a little bit. So 1.3% either way, pretty much even with where we were a year ago. When we saw this year, and I'll explain a little bit further, at the start of the year things went skyrocketing as they had been, and then interest rates kicked in. They went way higher than what they were supposed to, and I'll explain that as well in a little bit of a different video, an update to my interest rate video. But they went much higher than they were supposed to. That really pulled back on the pricing of the real estate market sort of in the fall of 2022, and we started to see the low point. I think it was about September, October was kind of the low point, and then things have been moving back up ever since then. So if we compare the total number of listings for December were 74. That's up almost 3%, 2.78 over December of 2021. The total number of sales was 77. That's down almost 10% from a year ago. December tends to be a slow month. Anyway, a lot of people are in the sort of the holiday spirit, and thinking about moving dates in February can be a little bit daunting, so a lot of people like to put that off until the fall. We also see a drop in the number of listings. If you compare that to November had 173 listings and 93 sales. So it's typically just a slower month. But seeing that compared to a year ago, we're seeing more listings on the market. That's definitely having an effect on pricing, and we're seeing that in the multiple offer situations. If you've been following any of my previous videos, I've been saying over and over, we need more listings in order to stop this multiple offer situation from happening on every single house. Now we are seeing more listings, so that has solved some of that problem, and we're not seeing multiple offers like we were. We'll do a brief overview here of the year-to-date stats because that gives us the best snapshot. So the average sale price year-to-date was $549. That was at the end of December, and if you compare that to the $539 for the average sale price, you can see we are still a little bit lower than the average throughout the year, but picking back up again. The median sale price at $495. It's $495,750 for the year to date, $495 even for the month of December. So that's very, very close. Basically, we just had a level year. If you didn't buy or sell this year, there's really nothing to worry about. Your house didn't go up that much, it didn't go down that much. You're kind of just in the same position you would have been without anything happening in between. So if we compare that to the 2021 year, though, we were still up about 8.46% over 2021. The median sale price up 9.92. That is really dependent on whether or not you bought or sold and what time of year you bought or sold. If you bought in the early part of the year, then you probably lost a little bit on that. If you bought in the later part of the year, then you see more of those gains over the year of 2021. But I'm going to have a more in-depth video on this, on exactly what happened, why it happened. But for the purposes of this, the December stats are looking good. I like to see that upward trajectory that shows good signs for January, and typically what we've seen is January, February, and March are pretty strong years, bringing that sale price up, and then they tend to level off because we have more sellers coming into the market. We'll see if that happens again this month, but overall I think it was a good year. I hope you all had a good year. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to hear more from me. If you have comments, please leave them in the comment section below, or contact me. All of my contact information is beside me and below me in the description. Have a great day.